5 effective home remedies for sagging skin. Sagging skin is one of the very serious problems that are affecting a lot of persons. Usually this problem appears as skin ages, but due to harmful conditions and improper care, the problem is occurring to the people of every age. Sagging skin problems cause the skin to lose its elasticity and the skin becomes saggy and appear dull. There are many factors that are responsible for causing this problem. Number 1 is honey. Honey has natural hydrating, antioxidant and anti-aging properties that are helpful for treating sagging skin. Mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of the honey and a few drops each of the lemon juice and olive oil. Apply it onto your face and neck. Let it dry and then rinse it off with warm water. Do this once or twice daily for best results. You can also mix together 1/2 teaspoon each of the honey and sour cream, then mix in 1/2 teaspoon of the turmeric powder. Apply the mixture on your face for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and then supply some cold water. Use this face mask once a week. Number 2 is rose water. Rose water is a natural astringent, thus it is a great toner and helps to lighten the loose skin. Plus, it is excellent for maintaining clear and glowing skin. Apply some rose water on your face and neck before going to bed. This will help to lighten the pores and prevent the premature aging signs. Number 3 is cinnamon. Another good remedy for sagging skin is cinnamon. It helps to accelerate the collagen production, which is essential for the firm and tight skin. Mix 1 teaspoon each of the cinnamon powder and turmeric powder with enough olive oil to make a paste. Then mix it 1/2 teaspoon of the sugar and salt. Gently scrub your face and neck area with this paste for a few minutes. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Use this natural scrub once or twice a week. Number 4 is fuller earth. Fuller earth, also known as Multani Mitti, stimulates the blood circulation and improves skin elasticity. Mix 1 tablespoon of the fuller's earth powder with enough water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on the face and neck and allow it to dry. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 5 is strawberry. Strawberry works like an astringent on the skin and hence a very good remedy for sagging skin. They have vitamin C and potent antioxidants that boost up the production of the collagen fibers that help to keep the skin smooth and firm. Plus, the alpha hydroxy acid in them helps to improve the appearance of the aging skin. Mash 2 to 3 ripe strawberries and mix them with 2 tablespoons each of the yogurt and honey. Apply the paste on your face and neck. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water.